Hi, I'm Wendy. I'm a White Tiger Qigong Instructor and yoga teacher from Australia. And today I'd like to share with you a 15-minute sequence combining Qigong and Yin Yoga for the fire element. The two practices combine perfectly. Qigong enhancing the qi flow through gentle movement and breathwork, and Yin Yoga working on the deeper tissues of the body and harmonizing the qi. The fire element is associated with the heart, and today we will open the heart and lift our spirits. Let's begin. Let's start with our Qigong warm-up, getting our qi flowing, a little bit of bouncing and flossing the shoulders, and beginning to shake it out, removing stagnation and softening the fascia. Paying attention to the arms, the wrists and the fingers, and start scanning the body for any stiffness or restriction of movement. And be gentle to those areas in your practice today. Shaking out the legs, softening the shoulders, adding a little bit of twisting movement, and then start moving a little faster and smaller, really activating the qi here. And then hold the qi. Expand the qi as we begin our cleansing breaths. Breathing in through the nose and exhaling through a pinhole of your mouth like you're breathing out through a straw. Rubbing our hands together and placing them on the kidneys for our girdle rotations. This exercise warms up the hips and the lower back and activates the vitality center, our lower dantian. We move the pelvis in small circles. Starting in the opposite direction with our small circles, and once again spiraling out to your full range. This exercise is great for balancing the lower and upper body and also the emotions. The heavenly pillars are great for warming up the spine. This exercise is similar to cat-cow in yoga. Using the breath, inhale, extend the spine, arch the back and look up. And on the exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin, taking the spine in its full range of motion. Turtle looks behind. We externally rotate the arms as we twist to our maximum. Gaze over the shoulder and release. Coiling and uncoiling the arms to stimulate the meridians to enhance qi flow. The spinal twist stretches the spiral fascia, increasing our range of motion. The third heavenly pillar tilts the head from side to side with the breath. One hand makes a pincer grip, pulling up and stretching the forearm, while the other hand strongly presses down towards the earth. This movement is a wonderful stretch for the side of the neck. Our last heavenly pillar is our neck rotations. Be gentle if you have discomfort or restrictions in the neck. Otherwise, circle the neck freely 3 times in one direction and then 3 times in the opposite direction, changing at the top. Keep the shoulders relaxed and start slowly. Our final Qigong warm-up exercise is opening our heart to the sky. The fire element is associated with the heart, which sets the rhythm of life. Open your heart to the new day, gather in fresh qi to your body, and release the old qi to the earth. Open your heart to the full bloom of life, gathering in fresh energy and release. Inhale, release, gather the energy from the heaven, draw it through your spiritual center, your heart center, and your energy center. One of my favourite Qigong forms is the crane, associated with the fire element, the heart, and the season of summer. Lift your arms gracefully and float them down to shoulder height. Lift your knee, extend the leg, take it all the way around to the back with your arms, fingertips to the sky, and bending your knee, pointing the toe towards the head. And release. The crane is beautiful to lift the spirit. Allow your spirit to rise. Find the spark deep inside your heart. Shine it forward, guiding the way. Summer is the season of abundance. Life is in full bloom. Fill your heart with love for yourself and for others. Stay focused on what you believe to be important in your life. Breathe in and rise. Breathe out. Breathe in and focus your spirit, releasing down to the earth. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in feelings of being content and at peace. Breathe in the color of red, the color of love. Bring that down through your center and storing those feelings in the lower dantian, condensing the qi. Coming down to child's pose, to start our Yin practice for the fire element. Our first Yin pose is closed wing. Slide the left arm under the body, resting the head. Slide the right arm out. Using our 3 Yin principles: 1. Come into the pose to an appropriate depth. 2. Find stillness. 3. Hold the pose for time. We would normally hold our pose for 3 to 5 minutes. You have the option of pausing the video in each pose. Changing sides. The target area is the shoulder and outer side of the lower arm. You might also feel a stretch in the armpit area of the other arm. Adjust your body to feel comfortable. Avoid pain or sharp sensations. Coming gently out of the pose and into our rebound. This allows the body to settle and rest after the pose. The second shape is open wing. Stretch the right arm out from the shoulder, palm facing down. Roll the body back over the arm using your left hand and right foot for support. Option to raise the left arm or place the hand on the back. Coming out slowly and change sides. The target area is the inside of the lower arm and shoulder, stimulating the heart meridian. Soften in the pose. Slowly come out. It is the resting period where the tissues rebound and hydrate. It also gives you time to check in how you are feeling after the pose. Our final Yin pose today is a spinal twist. Arms in T position. Bring up one knee at a time to your chest. Roll the knees to the side. Feel the stretch across the chest and the inner arms. Relax in the pose. Gently come out. You may need a little rock from side to side before changing to the other side. Spinal twists at the end of a practice help restore equilibrium to the nervous system and release tension in the spine. They also massage the internal organs. Slowly come out. Have a gentle rock. We come into our final resting pose, Shavasana. Allow the body to completely relax. Feel contentment and peace. Move into your day with an open heart. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button or leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our next video.